Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add multiple tab stops in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add multiple tab stops in this document. Go to the paragraph style. Then click the tabs and change the default tab stops 0.5. Then click OK. Then press tab on our keyboard multiple times and we can see we added multiple tabs stop very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.